Good morning, children. Today we will do question answers of chapter Air and Water. First question number 5. Question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 we have already done, and now today we will start with the question number 5. Describe the water cycle with the help of a diagram. Answer. What is water cycle? The continuous circulation of water from the Earth's surface to atmosphere and then back to the ground is called water cycle. It involves the following steps. पानी की continuous movement अर्थ सरफेस की वाटर बॉडीज में से पानी की मूवमेंट होनी टू द एटमॉस्फेयर जाना और फिर वापस ग्राउंड पे आ जाना, इस साइकिल को हम बोलते हैं वाटर साइकिल. एंड दिस साइकिल इज कंटिन्यूअस इन द नेचर. इस पे फॉलोइंग स्टेप्स आते हैं. फर्स्ट स्टेप इज इवेपोरेशन. Water from the seas, oceans, etc. change into water vapor due to the heat of the sun and rise up. This process is called evaporation. Evaporation actually is the conversion of water into water vapor due to heating. In evaporation, जो पानी है water bodies में like seas, oceans, ponds, rivers, etc. they change into the water vapor with the heat of the sun, and these water vapor they rise up. ये ऊपर जाते हैं और इस process को बोलते हैं evaporation. Here the water is converted into water vapor. Next, condensation. These water vapors they cool down and join together to form clouds. This is called condensation. अब ये water vapors से ऊपर जाके they get cooled down because temperature is low in the upper layers of atmosphere, and they join together, and these water droplets they join together and they form the clouds, or this process is called condensation. Precipitation. When clouds become heavy with water droplets, they fall down as rain, snow, etc. This process is called precipitation. When these clouds they become heavy with the droplets of water and they cannot hold water anymore, तो जब ये पानी रेन और स्नो के फॉर्म में वापस अर्थ पे आ जाता है, और इस प्रोसेस को बोलते हैं प्रेसिपिटेशन. रेन, स्नो आर द फॉर्म्स ऑफ प्रेसिपिटेशन. दिस इज कॉन्टिन्यूस इन द नेचर एंड इज कॉल्ड वाटर साइकिल. ये प्रोसेस नेचर में कॉन्टिन्यूस है और इसको वाटर साइकिल बोलते हैं. इन द पिक्चर यू कैन सी the water is evaporating with the heat of the sun. Water is changing into water vapor with the heat of the sun. These water vapors they rise up and they get cooled down in the upper layers of atmosphere. This process of cooling down of water vapors is called condensation. When these clouds become heavy with the drops of water, these drops of water they fall down back to the earth, and this process is called precipitation. You can see here the rain is coming down on the earth, and this water ultimately goes down to the water bodies from where this water was evaporated, and this is the water cycle. So water cycle involves 3 processes: evaporation, condensation and precipitation. Question number 6. Differentiate between evaporation and condensation. Evaporation और condensation में क्या difference है? Evaporation. It is the process of conversion of water into water vapor. Evaporation में water is converted into water vapor. I repeat, in evaporation, liquid water is converted into water vapor. Water is the liquid form of water. Water vapor is the gaseous form of water. So here, the liquid form of water is changed into gaseous form. But in condensation, it is the process of conversion of water vapor into water. In condensation, water vapor they change into water. Water vapor is the gaseous form and water is the liquid form. In condensation, gaseous form of water is converted into liquid form. Second, it occurs due to heating. Evaporation heating से होती है. When water gets heated, change into water vapor. So this is evaporation. Condensation, it occurs due to cooling. Condensation होती है cooling से, ठंडा होने से. Example of evaporation, wet clothes dry due to the heat of the sun. जब हम गीले कपड़ों को सन में डाल देते हैं, ओपन में डालते हैं, तो सन की हीट से, डे टाइम सन की हीट से, those clothes they get dried up because the water in the clothes get changed into water vapor, and these water vapors they rise up in the air and our clothes become dry. Condensation, morning dew on the grass. In the winter season or before the winter season or end of the winter season, you can see in the morning small drops of water on the grass or the other plants also, or your vehicle standing outside your home. These water, this dew occurs when the water vapor present on the air change into liquid water. So morning dew को हम हिंदी में ओस बोलते हैं, जो हल्की हल्की ओस की बूंदें सुबह ग्रास के ऊपर दिखाई देती हैं, that is due to condensation, because water vapor they get changed into liquid water because of cold. Thank you.